Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can print even number in Python. So what are even number? Even number are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So we are going to print even number from 1 to 100, and all the even number can be divided by 2. So first of all, since we are going to print the even number from 1 to 100, so we are going to declare a variable. Let's say what here I equal to 1. Then we'll give a while condition. So we say what here while, and we'll say I smaller than or equal to 100. Then we'll give a clone over here, and after that we need to increase the value of I. So we need to say what here I equal to I plus 1. And then inside this while loop we are going to give a condition, if condition. So the condition will be if I mod 2 equal 0, and give a clone over here. So we are giving a condition if I mod 2 equal 0. It means we are checking is the value of I can be divided by 2, and if it can be divided by 2, it means it is a even number. So we can just print over here. We'll say over here print, and we can just say over here I. So right now what will happen is that at the beginning the value of I is on. So it will check is the value of I which is on smaller than 100, which is true. Then it will check can 1 be divided by 2, which is false. So it will not print on. After that the value of I will become 2 over here. Since 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it will check 2 is smaller than 100, which is yes. So it will check this if condition. Can we divide the value of 2 by 2, which is true? You can divide 2 by 2, so it will print 2. After that the value of I will become 3. It will check the condition, then it will come over here. Can we divide 3 by 2? Which we cannot divide 3 by 2, so it will not print 3. Then the value of I will become 4. It will check the while loop condition, then it will come over here, and can we divide 4 by 2, which is yes. So then it will print 4 over here, and this way it will print 6, 8, 10, 12 and up until 100. So right now if we just run this, and there you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we are able to print all the even number in Python. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.